Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, in this practice paper number 4 mathematics, we are going to solve 3 marks question in this video. So, in the next video, we are going to solve 4 and 5 marks questions. So, in 3 marks question, the first question, that is the 25th question, is use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus or 9m plus 8. So for this one internal choice question is there, or we have to prove that root 2 is an irrational number. So maybe this type of questions they may ask in examination, but ಇದು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಕೇಳೋ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜು ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ prove that root 2, root 3, root 5 is an irrational number. So now let us solve this question now. So let us answer for the first question. So in this question, what we have to prove, that we have to show that the cube of any positive integer, ಯಾವುದೇ positive integer in a cube of any positive integer, either it is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So let us answer for 25th 3 marks question. So 25th 3 marks question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಫ್ 9 ಈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ 3, a perfect square number, a perfect cube number is obtained. ಸೊ 9 3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದದು? 9 into 3 which is equal to 27. So cube root of 27 which is equal to 3. So this is a perfect cube. To get this perfect cube, this 9 is multiplied by 3. So ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವೀಗ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಲೆಮ್ಮ, a is equal to b cube plus r. So in place of a is equal to b, I will write 3. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಸರು, ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡೆಂಡ್, ಇದು ಕೋಶಂಟು, ಇದು ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ 3, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 9 is multiplied by 3 to get a perfect cube number. So what should be multiplied by 9 to get 27, that is perfect cube? 3. Therefore in place of b you substitute 3. So 3 cube plus r. So now in this case you observe, if b is equal to 3, then if a is equal to 3q plus r, then 0, that is r is greater than or equal to 0 and r is less than 3 according to Euclid division lemma. Therefore the remainder may be 0, or remainder may be 1, or remainder may be 2. ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 1 ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 2 ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಮೂರು ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಸೊ ದ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಐದರ್ 0 ಆರ್ 1 ಆರ್ 2. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ if the remainder is 0 or 1 or 2, we have to go for 3 cases. So case number 1, when remainder is equal to 0. When remainder is equal to 0, a is equal to 3q plus r. So a is equal to 3q plus remainder is 0. So a is equal to 3q. So now cube on both sides. So cube on both sides. If we cube on both sides, a cube is equal to 3q whole cube. Then a cube is equal to 3 cube is 27, then q cube. So a cube is equal to, so 9 into 3q cube. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ 9 3s are 27 ಆಯಿತು. ಲೆಟ್ m is equal to 3q cube, where m is some integer. So m is equal to 3 ಈ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಫ್ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3q ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೇರ್ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ where m is some integer, then a cube is equal to 9. What is 3 cube? 3q cube. It will be equal to m. Therefore, so question na prakara ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಯೇನೆ, show that the cube of any positive integer, either it will be in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 2. Therefore, cube of any positive integer will be in the form of 9m. ಸೊ 9m ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವು ವೆನ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1, ದೆನ್ a is equal to 3q plus r. a is equal to 3q plus r is 1. So cube on both side. a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. So a cube is equal to, so it is in the form of a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube. a cube andre 3 cube q cube plus b cube andre 1 cube plus 3 a square. a square andre 3q whole square, b andre 1 plus 3ab square. a andre 3q into b square andre 1 square. So a cube is equal to 3 cube is 27q cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 square is 9. So 9 3s are 27. 27 1s are is 27q square plus 3 3s are 9. 9 1s are 9q. So we got 27q cube plus 1 plus 27q square plus 9. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ let us simplify it. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So if I simplify it, so we will get a cube is equal to, so ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು, 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q plus 1. I have written in the order. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ 9 ಕಾಮನ್. ಸೊ 9ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ 9ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು 9 3s are 27q cube plus 9 3s are 27q square plus 9 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ q ಉಳಿತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ 9 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ದೆನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಎಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ ಎಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3q ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3q ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ q. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 9. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. Therefore, the cube of any positive integer will be in the form of 9m plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲ 9m, ಇಲ್ಲ 9m plus 1, ಇಲ್ಲ 9m plus 8. ಇದು ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3? ವೆನ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3q ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3q plus what is the remainder? So the remainder is 2. So now let us answer for this one now. So cube on both sides. A cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. So now a cube is equal to, it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A cube 3 cube q cube plus b cube 2 cube plus 3 a is a square 3q whole square into b is 2 plus 3ab square. A is 3q into b square is 2 square. So a cube is equal to 9 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27q cube plus 8 2 cube is 8 plus 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are will become 54q square plus 3 3s are 9, 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, so 36q, it will become 36q. So a cube is equal to, let us write in the decreasing power in the decreasing order, 27q cube plus 54q square plus 36q plus 8. So among these three, you take 9 as common. If I take 9 common, 3q cube, 9 3s are 27, 9 6 are 54q square plus 9 4s are 36q plus 8. So now let m is equal to, whatever there in the bracket, you write down that one, plus 4q. So therefore a cube is equal to 9. So ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ m plus 8. Therefore the cube of any integer is in the form of 9m plus 8. Therefore cube of any positive integer, cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So ಈ ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Either it is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 8 or 9m plus 1. So this is how we have to prove it. Now let us go for the next question. That is, that is optional question, is their internal choice. We have to prove that root 2 is irrational. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, let root 2 is rational. So let us assume ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಣ. Let us assume that root 2 is rational. If root 2 is rational, then root 2 is equal to p by q. So where p and q are co-prime in the sense having only one as a common factor, then root 2 is equal to p by q, square on both sides. Root 2 whole square is equal to p by q whole square. So we have to square on both sides. So if you square on both sides, root 2 whole square become 2 is equal to p square by q square. So q square is equal to p square divided by 2. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ p square 2 ಯಾರನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? p square. So 2 divides p square. Therefore 2 divides p. So 2 p square ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so 2 ಕೂಡ p ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, let p is equal to 2k. ಎಲ್ಲಿ p ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2k ನ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. So q square is equal to p square by 2. So q square is equal to, what is p square? 2k whole square divided by 2. So q square is equal to 2 square become 4k square by 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So q square is equal to 2k square. ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಗ ಬರೆಯೋಣ, k square is equal to q square by 2. So 2 divides q square. Therefore 2 divides q. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ p and q having a common factor other than 1 is 2. ನೋಡಿ, so p ಕೂಡ 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, q ಕೂಡ 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ, that is other than 1 is 2. So therefore this contradicts that our assumption is wrong. That is, root 2 is not rational. Therefore root 2 is irrational. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್, ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 26th ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ದಟ್ 26th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಫಾದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ his son. 8 years ends. The age of father will be 4 years more than 3 times the age of the son. Find their present age ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So let us answer for this question now. So ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ, so now let us write let the age of, let the present ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಣ. Let the present age of son be x years. Let the present age of father be y years. ಸೊ ಮಗನಿಗೆ x ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಅಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ y ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿರಲಿ. According to question, the father of age is twice the square the age of his son. The age of the father ಅಂದರೆ y is equal to twice the square of age of his son, that is y is equal to 2x square. So next 8 year ends ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ 8 years ends ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 8 years ago. So 8 years ago. So let us write the son's age. Son's age is equal to present age x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I have taken present age as x. 8 years ago x minus 8. Next, father's age after 8 years ago is equal to y minus 8. According to the question, 8 year ends, the age of father will be 4 years more than 3 times the age of the son. So according to the condition, so the age of the father age is taken as y minus 8 is equal to 4 years more than 3 times the age of son. 3 times the age of son. Father's age is 4 years more than 3 times the age of son. So now let us simplify it now. Y minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 24 plus 4. 3 into x, 3x, 3 8s are 24. So y minus 8 is equal to, so 3x minus 24 plus 4 is minus 20. So 3x, if you shift minus y this side, it will become plus y. Plus y become minus y. Minus 20. If we shift minus 8 this side, it will become plus 8, which is equal to 0. So 3x minus y minus 20 plus 88 is minus 12, which is equal to 0. Now in place of y we have to substitute 2x square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitution ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 3x minus y is 2x square minus 12 is equal to 0. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನೀಗ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಮೈನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ minus 3x, minus into minus become plus 2x square, minus into minus become plus 12, which is equal to 0. If you multiply any two numbers, we have to get 2 12s are 24. If you add or subtract, you have to get that is what we call 3. So multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 24 ಬರಬೇಕು, add ಅಥವಾ subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ which is that number? So if you multiply, you have to get 24. If you add or subtract, you have to get that is 3. ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು 8 years ends ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 8 years ago, after 8 years. After 8 years we have to take, because ಅವನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು 8 years ends ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸನ್ಸ್ ಏಜ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ x plus 8, ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಕಮ್ y plus 8. So y plus 8 is equal to 3 into x plus 8 plus 24. Y plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 3 8s are 24 plus 4. Y plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 24 plus 4 is 28. So plus y become minus y. Then 28, this also minus 8. So 3x minus y minus 28 is there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ 24 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇಸ್ 28 ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 8. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 28 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 28 ಮೈನಸ್ 8 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 20. 28 minus 8 will become 20. So 3x minus y means 2x square. Then minus 20. Minus 20, 20. It is plus 20, not minus 20. So plus 20 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2x square plus 3x multiply minus 3x plus 20. It will become 2x square minus 3x plus 20. Now if you multiply any two numbers, 2 20s become 40. Then if you multiply any two number 40, if you add or subtract 3, again 2x square minus 8x plus 5x plus 20 is equal to 0. So ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ 2xನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ x minus 4 plus 5ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if I take 5 as common here, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮೈನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು minus 20 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ minus 3x, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ minus 20. ಇದು minus 20 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 5ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ x minus 4 ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ x minus 4. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆನ್ಸರು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. ಸೊ x ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು? It therefore age, present age of son. So what is the present age of son? That is equal to x, which is equal to 4 years. Then what is the present age of father? So present age of father is equal to, father na present age na ನಾವು y is equal to 2x square ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. That is present age of father is y. y ಅಂದರೆ 2x square. So y is equal to 2 into x square ಅಂದರೆ 4 square. So y is equal to, so 4 square ಅಂದರೆ 16, 16 2s are 32. Therefore present age of father is 32 years. So what is the present age of son? 4 years, and present age of father is 32 years. So like this we have to find out the age of the present age of father as well as present age of that is son. After completing this one, we are going to solve the next optional internal choice question. That is, let us answer this question. Find the value of p for which the quadratic equation 4x square minus p minus 8 into x plus 1 is equal to 0 having equal roots. So equal roots anta kottidane. So let us solve this question now. So ee question na naviga solve madona. So let us answer this, let us find the solution. So what is the question given? 4x square minus p minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Compared to standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now if you compare it, a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus of p minus 8, and c is equal to 1. So delta is equal to 0. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So delta andre 0, 0 is equal to b square andre minus of p minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a andre 4, c andre 1. So 0 is equal to minus how many times? 2 times. It will become plus. So minus 2 whole square minus 4 4s are 16. So p minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 16, if you shift this side, it will become plus 16. So p minus 2 is equal to square root of 16 plus or minus square root of 16. So p minus 2 is equal to plus or minus, what is square root of 16? It is 4. So p minus 2 is equal to plus 4 and p minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So p minus 2 is equal to, p is equal to 4. If you shift minus 2 that side, it will become plus 2. Therefore, p is equal to, we got 6. Then p is equal to minus 4. If we shift minus 2, it will become plus 2. So p is equal to minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Therefore, p is equal to minus 2. So p is equal to 6 or p is equal to minus 2. So like this we have to solve this question. Now we are going to solve one more question, that is we are going to solve in this only. So let us solve the 27th question now. So 27th question, we have to prove that. What we have to prove that? Tan theta by secant theta minus 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cot theta. So let us prove this one. So ಈ question ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ prove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So what is given there? So they have given tan theta divided by secant theta minus 1 plus minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So we have to get answer as, that is we have to prove it is equal to 2 cot theta. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ prove ಮಾಡೋಣ. So ಇದನ್ನ prove ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ I will take it as, so tan theta is written as sin theta by cos theta divided by sec theta is written as 1 by cos theta minus 1. So minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta divided by, so cos theta is the LCM. So remaining is 1 minus cos theta 1 are cos theta minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So now sin theta divided by cos theta into, so reciprocal tekondre it will become cos theta by 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Cos theta will get cancelled. Remaining is sin theta by 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So whatever the thing is there in the denominator, that itself is the LCM. So what is the LCM? 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So cross multiply now. Sin theta into 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Sin theta 1 become sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta 1 sin theta minus into minus plus sin theta cos theta divided by a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus cos square theta. So now plus sin theta minus sin theta cancelled. Sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta become 2 sin theta cos theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta becomes sin square theta. Sin theta cancel ಆಯಿತು. Remaining is 2 cos theta by sin theta. So 2, what is cos theta by sin theta? It is cot theta. So this is what we have to prove. We have to prove that RHS is equal to 2 cot theta. So after solving this one, so in this one only again one more question is there. So let us solve that question. So ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾವೀಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Let us solve that question of internal choice question. So what we have to prove it, 1 plus cot A minus cosecant A plus into 1 plus tan A plus secant A is equal to 2. You have to get 2. So 1 plus cot A can be written as cos A by sin A minus cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A into 1 plus tan A can be written as sin A by cos A plus secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. So now LCM ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ sin A is the LCM. Sin A 1 is sin A plus cos A minus 1 into, now here you take cos A as the LCM, remaining is cos A plus sin A plus 1. Sin A plus 1. So ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಎ ಅಂತ ಕರೀರಿ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಸಾರಿ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಎ ಅನ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿ ಅನ್ನಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿ ಅನ್ನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ, ಇದು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಇದು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. ಇದು ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಇದು ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 sin A into cos A minus 1 square is 1 divided by sin A cos A. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sin A cos A minus 1 divided by sin A cos A. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Sin A cos A cancel. So remaining is 2. This is what we have to prove there. So now let us move for one more question, that is 28th question. Find the mean of the following frequency distribution table. For this one we have to find out the mean. So now first add all the frequency. 6 11, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. Then find the midpoint. 0 to 10, 0 plus 10 is 10, half of 10 is 5, 10 20 30, half of 30 is 15, 20 30 50, half of 50 25, 30 plus 40 70, 70 half is 35, 40 50 90, half of 90 is 45. Then find fx. 6 5s are 30, 15 5s are 75, 25 3s are 75, 35 4s are 140, 45 2s are 90. Add all the fx, we will get sigma fx. 0 plus 5, 5 plus 5 10, 0 1 carry, 3 plus 4 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus 4 22, 22 plus 9 is 30, 22 plus 9 is 31, 1 3 carry, it will become 410. So now 5 10, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 7 11, 18 22 31. So now we got fx. Now find out x bar, that is mean. X bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. So x bar is equal to sigma fx is 410 divided by n is 20. 0 0 cancelled. X bar is equal to half of 41 is 20.5. So 20.5 is the arithmetic mean or mean for the given frequency distribution table. So now let us move for 29th question. So now let us continue from 29th question. The 29th question is, draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 6 cm, AB is equal to 5 cm, angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. So now let us solve this question now. Now first let us draw BC, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment BC which is equal to 6 centimeter and you mark it as BC. So which measures 6 centimeter. Okay. Then after that one, AB angle B given as 60 degree. So now let us mark 60 degree angle. So keep the protractor center at B and adjust to BC and mark 60 degree. So then you draw one line, no measurement. Then you take AB. AB is given as how much? So AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So take the scale and measure 5 centimeter. So scale ತಗೊಂಡು 5 centimeter na measure ಮಾಡಿ. So keep the compass needle at B and you cut an arc. ಒಂದು arc na cut ಮಾಡಿ. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನ A ಅಂತ ಕರೀರಿ. So A na you join to C. So now it has become ABC triangle. You mark it as 60 degree. Now you draw a acute angle line. Now this acute angle line should be divided into 4 equal parts. So because the ratio they have given is 3/4. So now keep the compass needle at B. Take some radius. So the ratio is given as 3/4. Therefore divide into 4 equal parts. So keep the compass needle at B. So take some radius and you divide into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have divided into 4 equal parts. So ಇದನ್ನ 4 equal parts ಆಗಿ divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು. So ಈಗ let us call it as B1, B2, B3 and B4. So like this we have written 4. Next in the denominator they have given 3/4 means the denominator is 4. Therefore B4 should be joined to C. So B4 na C ge join ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So next what you have to do is that keep the compass needle at B4. You take some radius and you touch both the line. You draw one arc. With the same measurement, the numerator is 3. Keep the compass needle at B3 and you draw one more arc. Then with the same measurement, take the measurement of arc and you keep it here and you cut this arc, previous arc. So now this B3 and this point should be joined by using a line. So now we have drawn one line. So these two should be parallel to each other. You call this as C dash. You call this point as C dash. Now again take the compass. Keep the compass needle at C. Take some radius and you draw one arc. With the same measurement, keep the compass needle at C dash and you draw one more arc. Then you take the arc measurement. By taking arc measurement, keep the compass needle here and you cut that arc. So now where the arc will cut from there, then from C dash you draw one more line segment and you call this as A dash. Now these two should be parallel. ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡ parallel ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ triangle ABC. This is the triangle we have constructed. It is similar to triangle A dash B C dash. A dash B C dash is the new triangle. A dash B C dash. So these two are similar triangles that we have constructed now. Now one more question is there, that is we have to draw the ogive graph. Let us see how to draw the ogive graph. First let us see the question. So question is, the following distribution gives the ages of persons who visits a grocery shop on a particular day. So age in years given, number of persons is given. So by using this data, let us draw the less than type, that is ogive graph. So let us draw it now. So now we have listed the cumulative frequency and frequency. First step, add all the frequency. 6, 10, 16 plus 15 is 31. 31 plus 13 is 44. 44 plus 24 is 68. 68 plus 8, 76. So 76 plus 7 is, it will be equal to, so total number, total frequency will be 83. So total frequency 83 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು, so let us write the cumulative frequency. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 plus 15 is 31. 31 plus 13 is 44. 44 plus 24 is 68. 68 plus 8 is 76. 76 plus 7 is 83. So now let us write the x and y. So less than ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you have to take that is upper limit ತಗೋಬೇಕು. upper limit ಅಂದರೆ 15, 6, then 25, 16, then 35, 31, then 45, 44, then 55, 68, then 65, 76, then 75, 83. So for this one we have to draw the Ogive graph. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೀಗ Ogive graph ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So let us draw the Ogive graph for this one. See, in x-axis we have to mark age in years, and in y-axis we have to mark the number of persons. X-axis age in years, then y-axis number of persons. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 15 ಇದೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 10 ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಒನ್ ಜಿಗ್ಜ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ನ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 15, 6. ಸೊ x 15, y 6. ಸೊ 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x 25, y 16. x 25, y 16. 10 ಆದಮೇಲೆ 6 ಲೈನ್ 16. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ 35, 31. ಸೊ x 35, y 31. ಸೊ 35, 31. 35, 31. Next after that one, so next 45, 44. So 45, 44. So 45, 44. So 40 ಆದಮೇಲೆ 4 lines. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ 55, 68. 55, 68. 55, 68. After 68 lines. Then after that one 65, 76. 65, 76. So 65, 76. So 65, 76. Then the last one 75, 83. So the last one is 75, 83. So let us mark 75, 83. 75 after 80, 3 lines. 3 lines. Now what we have to do? First you join these 2 lines by free hand. Next again these 2 lines with these 2 points, again these 2 points, then these 2 points. Next you join these 2 points, and the last one is these 2 points. So the graph, Ogive graph will looks like this, and this is the Ogive graph that is for less than type. So less than type ಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So after drawing the Ogive graph, the next question is 31st. Prove that the length of the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal, and this is the question that is a theorem, circle theorem. So I won't prove that one. So next I will go for 32nd question. In the figure, ABC is a right angle triangle at A. Find the area of the shaded region if AB, this is the shaded region. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಈ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಿನ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲಿನ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ನ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ will give the area of the shaded region. So now let us answer this question. Now let us find out the first area of the triangle. So in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree. So what they have given? So they have given ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So they have given all the three sides given. So base is given as, so base is given as 6 centimeter and height is given as 8 centimeter. So area is equal to half into base into height. So area is given as half into base into height. So area is equal to half into base is 6 and height is, so base is 6 and height is given as 8 centimeter. 2 ones are 2 threes. Therefore area is equal to 8 threes will become 24 centimeter square. So 24 centimeter square is the area of the triangle ABC. After that one ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದು P ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ, ಇದು Q ಅನ್ನೋಣ, ಇದು R. ಇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಸ್ O. O is the center of the circle. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ OC, ಜಾಯಿನ್ OA ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ OB. ಸೊ OA OC OB ಮೂರನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು AOB, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು BOC, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು AOC. ಸೊ 3 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 3 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ AOB is equal to half into what is the base, that is base is 6 centimeter. What is the height? Height is the radius. So 2 ones are 2 threes, that is equal to 3R. Next, area of triangle BOC is equal to half into what is the base? So base is 10 into what is the height? This is the height and it is radius, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 fives are, which is equal to 5R. Next, area of triangle. So next another one is AOC is equal to half into, in AOC triangle, which is the base. So base is, which is the base, that is AC. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬೇಸ್ ಆದರೆ 6 ಬೇಸು, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಬೇಸು, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 centimeter is the base, height radius. Okay, half into base 8 into radius, 2 ones are 2 fours are, which is equal to 4R. So 3R 4R 5R. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಲು ABC. ಈ ABC ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 3 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ 3 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಗಳ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ AOB ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ BOC ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ AOC. Now area of triangle ABC already we have calculated, it is equal to 24. Area of triangle AOB 3R, BOC 5R plus AOC 4R. 3R plus 5R plus 4R is equal to 12R. 12R is equal to 24. R is equal to 24 by 12. R is equal to 12 ones are 12 twos are. So R is equal to radius of the circle is 2 centimeter. Now you find out area. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 22/7 into 2 into 2. So now area is equal to 22 twos are 44, 44 twos are 88 divided by 7 centimeter square. You call it as equation 2. Now we want the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region, to find the area of the shaded region, so subtract equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 you subtract equation 2. So area is equal to, equation 1 is 24, equation 2 is 88 by 7. So area is equal to 7 into 24 become 168 minus 88 divided by 7. So area is equal to 168 minus 88 is 80 divided by 7 centimeter square. Therefore the area of the shaded region is 80 by 7 centimeter square. Like this we have to find out the area of the shaded region. After finishing the area of the shaded region, one more question is there, that is option internal choice question is there. So let us answer that internal choice question. That is, a circular pond is of diameter 17.5 meter. It is surrounded by a 2 meter wide path. Find the cost of constructing a road in this path at the rate of 25 rupees per square meter. So where pi comes, there you have to use 3.14. Now let us answer this question. So now let us answer the question number 32, internal choice question. Question number 32, internal choice question. So internal choice question ge first illondu ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಂಡ್. ಇದೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ದು ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ದ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಸ್ 17.5 ಮೀಟರ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್? ಸೊ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 8. So half of 17.5. So half of 17.5 is 8.75 meter. That is the radius. Okay. Next ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು that what we call it as 17.5 meter. Radius will become 8.7. ಇದರ ಸುತ್ತ, so around this one it is surrounded by a 2 meter wide path. ಇದ್ರ ಸುತ್ತ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಗಲ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 2 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್, ಈ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ವಿಡ್ತು 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ರೋಡ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್, ಇದ್ರ ಸುತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ರೋಡಿನ ಪಾತ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಪಾತ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟ್ರಿಗೆ 25 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆದರೆ, 25 ರುಪೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಲು, ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ which is 8.75 meter and this is the radius of the outer circle. ಅಗರ್ ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 8.75, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2 ಮೀಟರ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 8.75 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10.75 meter. So 10.75 meter is the radius of the bigger circle. Okay, so ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಈ ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಈ ಪಾತ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪಾತ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಪಾತ್, ಆ ದಾರಿಯ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ area pi r square. This is the area of the smaller circle. So area is equal to pi common, then remaining is r square minus r square. So area is equal to pi andre 3.14 into r square. R square andre 10.75 whole square minus 8 small r is 8.75 whole square. So area is equal to 3.14 into, so how much, 10.175 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 115.5625 minus what is 8.75, it is 8.75 whole square is equal to 76.5625. So area is equal to 3.14 into, it will become 40. If you subtract these two, you will get 40. So now if you multiply these two, we will get area is equal to, so 122.41 meter square. If you multiply these two, we will get the area of the big, that is area. If you subtract the area of both the circle, we will get this much, that is 122.41 meter square. So what is the cost of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 25. Therefore cost of 122.41 meter square is equal to dash rupees. Now let us calculate how much rupees. So for that one, so 122.41, that is the total area, is multiplied by what is the cost for 1 meter square, it is 25. So if you multiply 122.41 into 25, we will get 3061.5 rupees. So we will get rupees 3061.5 rupees. So this is the cost for constructing the road in this path, which is 2 meter wide. So like this we have to find out the total cost. So after this one, let us move for the next question, that is 33rd question. So that is, an exhibition tent is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a cone. So surmounted by a cone, the height of the tent above the ground is 85 meter and the height of the cylindrical part is 50 meter. If the diameter of the base is 168 meter, find the quantity of canvas required to make a tent. So here in this question, an exhibition tent is in the form of so it is in the shape of a tent with a cylindrical base, and this cylindrical base is surmounted by, that is a cone. So now let us write the first diagram. So this is the cylindrical base. On this cylindrical base, what will be surmounted, that is a cone is surmounted on the cylindrical base. So now let us first find out the whatever the given is given, let us make a list of that one. This is the radius and this is the radius of the cylinder, this is the height of the cylinder. So now let us make, what is the total height given. So total height is given as 85 meter. That the total height will be 85 meter. So this total height will be 85 meter. So total height 85 meter ಇದೆ. So ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ height of the cylinder, so cylindrical height ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು 50 centimeter. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ what is the remaining height of the what we call cone. So if total height is 50, from that one you have to subtract 50. 85 minus 50 will become 35 centimeter. So 35 centimeter is the height of the height of the cone. So now let us make a list now. So cylinder and cone. So whatever the thing they have given in the cylinder, that is cylinder height is given. Height of the cylinder is equal to 50 centimeter. So now radius will become how much? So total diameter is given. The total diameter is given as 168. So half of 168, that is equal to 2 8s or 2 4s. So radius of the cylinder is 84 meter. This is meter. So now ಕೋನಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಕೋನಿನ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. That is cone radius is same as the radius of the cylinder, which is equal to 84 meter. So ಕೋನಿನ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೂಡ 84 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ we have to find out the slant height of the cone. We don't know what is the slant height of the cone, but they have given narrow height. Narrow height is equal to 35 meter. So 35 meter is the narrow height. So let us use the Pythagoras theorem. L square is equal to R square plus H square. L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So L is equal to R square is 84 square plus H square is 35 square under the root. So L is equal to square root of what is 84 square? It is 7056 plus 35 is 1225. So length slant height is equal to, if you add these two you will get 8281. So length is equal to slant height is equal to, what is the square root of 8281? It is equal to 91 meter. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಕೋನಿನ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, which is equal to 91 meter. Now let us find out the quantity of canvas required. So let us find out what is the quantity of canvas required. So to find out the quantity of canvas required, so area of the canvas is equal to LSA of cylinder plus LSA of cone. So area is equal to LSA of a cylinder na kottidane, it is equal to 2 pi RH plus LSA of a cone is pi RL. So area is equal to pi r is common to both, remaining is 2h and remaining is L. So area is equal to pi andre 22/7 into radius andre 84 into 2 into what is the h. What is the height of the cylinder? It is 50 plus slant height we got it 91. So area is equal to 7 1s are 7 12s. So 22 into 12 into 52s are 100 plus 91. So area is equal to 22 into 12 into 100 plus 91 become 191. So if we multiply all the three, we will get 50,424 meter square. Therefore the total area required to make a tent by using a canvas is 50,424 meter square. Like this we have to find out the area of the canvas used. So like this we have to solve this question. So remaining 4 and 5 marks questions will be solved in the next video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Those who have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Those who have already subscribed, please watch my videos, share my videos and like the videos. So thank you very much.